Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content.
Welcome back to ReneEnergy.com, your go-to channel for everything related to renewable energy and sustainable solutions. Today we're diving into an exciting and fundamental topic, the intersection of biotechnology and green hydrogen. If you've been following our channel, you already know about green hydrogen, how it's produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydropower. But what happens when we combine green hydrogen with the power of biotechnology? Let's explore how these two fields come together to create new possibilities for a cleaner, greener future. Green hydrogen is all about splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using renewable energy, resulting in hydrogen with zero carbon emissions. Unlike gray or blue hydrogen, which rely on fossil fuels and produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct, green hydrogen offers a way to decarbonize industries, transport, and energy storage. It's a crucial part of our journey to a carbon-free future. But while electrolysis is one way to produce hydrogen, biotechnology offers some fascinating alternatives that can make the process even more sustainable and efficient. Biotechnology, in simple terms, involves using living organisms, like microbes, algae, and enzymes, to create new products and processes. You might already be familiar with biotechnology in fields like medicine or agriculture. But in the context of green hydrogen, it's all about using natural processes or engineered microorganisms to make hydrogen production more efficient. Imagine using bacteria or algae to help us produce hydrogen, taking nature's own systems and giving them a boost to create energy in new, innovative ways. One of the key ways biotechnology supports hydrogen production is through microbial electrolysis cells, or MECs for short. Think of MECs as a process where bacteria break down organic waste, like agricultural leftovers or even wastewater, and generate hydrogen in the process. These bacteria work without needing oxygen, thriving in conditions that most organisms can't handle. When we add a small electric current, they kick into action, producing hydrogen gas. This method not only creates hydrogen but also helps treat waste, making it a win-win for sustainability. It's like turning yesterday's trash into tomorrow's clean energy. And it doesn't stop there. Algae and cyanobacteria, those tiny organisms that thrive in water, have a special ability. They can produce hydrogen directly from sunlight through a process called biophotolysis. During photosynthesis, algae convert sunlight and water into energy, releasing hydrogen as a byproduct. Scientists are exploring ways to engineer these algae to increase their hydrogen output, making them even more efficient. It's like harnessing the natural power of photosynthesis but tweaking it to create more hydrogen, turning algae into mini hydrogen factories. Imagine fields of algae ponds, soaking up the sun and turning it into clean green hydrogen. This approach could provide a renewable, scalable way to produce hydrogen in areas rich in sunlight and water. Biotechnology also helps with producing hydrogen from fermentation and anaerobic digestion. You've probably heard of fermentation when it comes to making beer or wine, but in this case, we're talking about bacteria converting organic materials, like food waste, into hydrogen. In anaerobic digestion, microorganisms break down biodegradable material in the absence of oxygen, producing a mix of methane and hydrogen. While methane is often the main product, hydrogen can be extracted at certain stages. This process is perfect for turning waste into valuable energy and plays a vital role in what's called a circular bioeconomy, where waste is continuously recycled into something useful, like hydrogen. It's a smart way to manage organic waste while producing clean energy. These microbial and algal processes offer some unique benefits. Unlike traditional electrolysis, which requires a constant supply of electricity, biohydrogen production can use waste materials as a starting point. That means it can be especially useful in regions where organic waste is abundant, or where electricity is scarce. Plus, because these processes happen at lower temperatures and pressures compared to industrial methods, they can reduce the overall energy consumption involved in hydrogen production. It's a more natural, energy-efficient way to create hydrogen. But biotechnology's role doesn't end at production. It's also opening new doors in how we store and transport hydrogen. One of the challenges with hydrogen is keeping it safely stored and delivering it where it's needed. This is where liquid organic hydrogen carriers, or LOHCs, come in. LOHCs are organic liquids that can absorb and release hydrogen through chemical reactions. biotechnology comes into play by using specially engineered microbes or enzymes to make these chemical reactions more efficient. This could reduce the energy required to store and release hydrogen, making LOHCs a more practical solution for transporting hydrogen over long distances. Researchers are also looking into using biological materials, like bacteria or bio-based polymers, to create new ways of storing hydrogen. Imagine materials that could safely hold hydrogen at lower pressures and temperatures, using biological systems as the storage vessel. These approaches could revolutionize hydrogen storage, especially for applications like hydrogen-powered vehicles, where safety and efficiency are critical. By using biological systems to store hydrogen, we could potentially make the process safer and cheaper than traditional high-pressure or cryogenic storage methods. So why does combining biotechnology with green hydrogen make so much sense? For one, it makes hydrogen production more sustainable by using natural processes and waste products, reducing our reliance on non-renewable resources. It can also lower the cost of production by utilizing biological systems that don't require high temperatures or pressures, making the technology more accessible. And most importantly, biotechnology opens up new avenues for hydrogen production that aren't limited by the availability of renewable electricity, diversifying the ways we can generate hydrogen. And let's not forget the circular economy. Using waste streams from agriculture, food processing, or wastewater treatment to produce hydrogen means that we're turning what would otherwise be a disposal problem into a resource. It's a perfect example of how the circular bioeconomy works. Waste becomes the raw material for producing energy, minimizing environmental impact and creating new value. This approach can help reduce the carbon footprint of hydrogen production even further, making it an ideal choice for communities and industries looking to adopt sustainable practices. The potential applications for biohydrogen are vast. From powering industrial processes to fueling vehicles, the ability to produce hydrogen using biological methods could help to meet the growing demand for clean energy. Imagine hydrogen fueling stations in rural areas that produce biohydrogen from local agricultural waste, or algae farms near coastal cities that generate hydrogen directly from sunlight and seawater. These scenarios are closer to reality than you might think, thanks to ongoing research and innovation in the field of biohydrogen production. Looking ahead, the combination of biotechnology and green hydrogen holds incredible promise for the future. As the demand for clean energy grows, these innovations can help make hydrogen a viable option for powering industries, homes, and even entire cities. The research happening today, from improving microbial processes to creating genetically engineered algae, could dramatically change how we produce and store hydrogen. And who knows, in a few years we might see hydrogen plants powered by microbes, alongside fields of algae turning sunlight into clean energy, all contributing to a world with fewer carbon emissions. For those of you passionate about renewable energy and sustainable technologies, the intersection of biotechnology and green hydrogen is definitely a space to watch. It's where nature meets innovation, creating solutions that could change the energy landscape. The future of energy is not just about big wind turbines or solar panels. It's also about tiny microbes, algae, and enzymes that can unlock new ways to create and use energy. If you're excited to learn more about these cutting-edge topics, make sure to subscribe to ReneEnergy.com for more insights into the future of energy. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and let's keep the conversation going about how we can build a cleaner, greener future together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.